Hi viewers, in this video I have this Redmi 14C and here you can see that it is locked with FRP and you can clearly see that the small lock icon on top of it. So in this video I will show you how to bypass its FRP without any PC, without YouTube, without Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's jump into. We will need a SIM card that is already locked with pin. Eject its SIM tray. Put the SIM card. Put the SIM jacket inside the phone. And here you will see that it is asking for the pin code for the SIM. Do not hit any power key. Do not enter the pin. Just remove this SIM tray. Scroll down this notification panel. Click here on this time and date. Date under this. So here you can see that it opened the calendar. Click allow all the things. From here tap on these three dots, go to settings, scroll down to the bottom and here click on this about app and from here click on this check updates and from here click on any application. For example, I am clicking here, then click on the search bar. On the search panel type activity launcher. Here just select this activity launcher. Install this first launcher. Once it is installed, open it, tap OK. Wait until it loads all the activities and applications. After loading, search again and find for the second space. Type second space. Whatever you will type or not, it is the first option. Select this option. Now again select the second space. From here select and launch this activity and turn on this second space. Here you have to notice one thing, that the FRP lock is just removed and it's replaced with a time. It means that FRP is removed successfully. Tap on continue. Escape this, escape password, and here you can see that I successfully bypassed the FRP of this Redmi 14C. Within a few seconds only. In the settings menu, I will confirm its model number to you. Here you can see that it's Redmi 14C and it's on Android 15. Here you can clearly see that it is loaded with Android 15 and security patch level is October 2025. And here you can see the remaining details of this phone. If you have any queries, questions or even any suggestions for my content or for queries about this content, you can write down in the comment section that's below in this video. Do not hesitate even a bit. I am always trying to respond my viewers as soon as possible for me. Thank you. So everything is working fine and I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and do not forget to hit subscribe. I will see you in my next, and until then, keep smiling.